Hello, and welcome back to my channel. This is Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors, and today I am bringing you the new Christmas kit. Now, for those of you who are familiar with my kit from last year, which that's one of the pages from the kit from last year, you will see that this one has been created so that it will perfectly complement last year's kit. If you have that. If you don't, it's fabulous as a standalone kit. Really fabulous, bright, bold colours on this one. Introduced quite a lot more of the darker greens, but really enjoyed playing with this one. So again, I will run you through the pages of the kit. So there's lots of collage pages to start with. So I think there's 3 main collage pages. That's the second one, and that is the third one. Lots of new features in these. Okay, so I kind of tell a story a bit with this one. So this is home for the holidays. So yeah, beautiful kind of rustic feel to the home for the holidays. And then there is 3 matching tags that go with that spread. Again, nice warm cozy fire with some of our little cuties there, and again a set of 3 tags to complement that page. Then we've got, let's go outdoors, so we've got some Let's Build a Snowman, and again really super cute images, and the colours are just absolutely adorable on these. And then there are 3 matching tags to go with that one as well. Then we're going to take a little trip to the North Pole, and yeah, again absolutely fell in love with the colours of this kit. Yeah, and again 3 matching tags to go with that one there. Then we've arrived at Santa's workshop, and we've got some matching tags there as well. And then we go to see the big man himself, and some matching tags there. Then we've got some additional journal pages. Love the heart shape on this, which is really subtle, but yeah, do love that page. Then we've got some music sheets. Then we've got a couple of writing pages here, or half writing pages. So we've got a stag, we've got an owl, and we've got a plain set there, double-paged plain set for writing. Then we've got some of the background images that go with the main focal images. And then we move on to the ephemera. So this is a whopping kit, absolutely whopping. All of the information and the details will be in the description box below, but it is huge. So we've got some collage strips here, and some plain ones in case you decide you want to use some of the fussy cuts and create your own. We've got some smaller tags, and again some smaller tags if you want to create your own. Some plain large tags. We've got large tags that go with each of the themed pages, and then just some plain ones. Again, you can decorate or go with whatever style you like. We've got some pockets, small and large pockets there. These ones are for each of the scenes, so home for the holidays. And then we haven't got the snowman one here, but we've got the North Pole, Santa's grotto, and Santa, and then we've just got these really cute little kittens. Again, some plain pockets if you want to make your own. Tried to make this kit as versatile as I can in giving you the options of doing your own and not having to stick to just what I've created. So these are bottom pockets, so gusseted pockets. And again, if you creating anything smaller than a kind of A5 size journal, you may want to shrink these when printing. And some plainer ones there if you want to create your own or just go with a simpler look. Then we've got some side pockets. And some plainer side pockets. Then we have some index cards. I love to use these as pockets, but if you back them, you can just use them as little journal cards. But yeah, I prefer to use these as just little pockets. Create lots and lots of different options. Start playing with these together to create like an accordion style. And then we've got our large envelopes. Again, if you want smaller versions, just resize when printing. And again here. And again here. Then we've got some postcards. Again, great for journal cards, writing space on the back. Also great for pockets, side tucks. Yeah. Then we have got some file folders. So absolutely adore this kind of image here. Do love that. Then we've got some of the cats, which are super, super cute. And then we've got some of our little pups. Then we have some stamps, because Christmas is all about sending, isn't it? Cards and what have you. So there's some cute little stamps there. Lots of different options. Some of them have got faux stamps on them. Some of them are plainer. Again, allowing you to decorate them as and how you want. Then we've got some portraits with our some of our key kind of players within the kit, which again I thought was fabulous. And we've got some bingo cards. So a bit of everything in this one. We've got our word flashcards. Absolutely loved these. Just the colours, I don't know what it is. This kit, I couldn't get enough of it last year, and I can't get enough of it this year. Then we've got some whopping tickets, which you can use as tags or journal cards or just pocket stuffers with some journaling space on the back of those. Then here, this is a side, either a page border or a side tack. So you can cheat and use that one as a little piece, but that's just an example there. Or you can create your own, and there's just some instructions there on how to put that together. Then we have got our double belly band or double side pocket, or a mix of the two. So the idea is that this is going to be attached to your main page, either top and bottom, to give you a belly band, or across the sides and the one, top and bottom and the one side, which will give you a pocket, and then you attach this one on top, again, to give you either a belly band or a side pocket tuck. Whatever you want to go with, and just some examples there again. And here we have got a pen or pencil holder. Then we have got our little ticket book. Now, those of you who follow me will know that absolutely loved putting this together for the Out With A Bang collaboration. So I've included that because it just felt very Christmassy. If you want to see a video on how to put that together, just Google the hashtag JJF Out With A Bang 25 and look for day one, and you'll find that there. But really, really simple idea on putting those together. Then we've got some guest checks. And then we've got some fussy cuts, so lots of different fussy cut options here, and these are great for embellishing your plainer tags and pockets within the kit. And there's more. So that's the main kit and the main bits of ephemera, and then I've also put together this folio, which you will have probably seen either within the Junk Journal Fix group or in part of my other digitals. And again, just lots and lots of different ideas and configurations on how you can put that together. Makes a really great little folio, which is great for kind of adding to your journal or popping in as some happy mail. yeah, great option with that. And then finally, we've got our view wheel, a master view wheel. So again, I created one of these some time ago. I think it was for the Botopia kit. And there's some instructions there on how to put that together, but there's loads of videos on how to put that together in the Junk Journal Fix with Sunflowers Indoors Facebook group. And again, just some images that you can add. I don't know if you can see those images there, but lots of those little images when you pop those on here underneath this, great with acetate. It just shows some cute little Christmassy pictures, and it felt really Christmassy to put that piece of ephemera in with this kit, so that's what I decided to do. But that is the Christmas 2025 release. Hope you like it. As I said, huge kit. I can't even tell you off the top of my head how many pages. I think it's about 60, but all the information will be in the description box below, and you will be able to get it on Etsy. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Again, love to know what you think. Please use the comment section below if you want to leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, as always, stay safe and be well.